Okay, we're back here at our air conditioning electric heat simulator board, and I believe this is video 4. And right here we've got, we're going to go over the contactor coil, we call it. It's a relay, an inductive relay right here, and it's got 24 volt coil. You can see it here on the side. Here's one side of the coil, gives you an extra terminal board there if you want to go in there with your common or your hot, which will be your Y circuit from your thermostat. And on the other side, you've also got 2 prongs there for the other side of the coil. 24 volt, power consuming at the coil, low voltage, control power. It is an operating control, and as you take power to it, it is a fast acting control that works off of induction, which is magnetism. And when the coil is energized, these right here, you can see this, I'm pushing down. You got 2 sets of contacts there. You're passing both legs at 240 volts. And the compressor here and the condenser fan motor are both operated off the compressor contactor. They're in parallel with each other. So again, on all these, to do a little recap on the other control we went over the fan relay. This is a solid state circuit board fan relay, time delay. It is a 24 volt power consuming control and a 120 volt power passing, even though the indoor blower motor here runs off of a 240 volts. We're only passing one leg of power at this relay. The other leg of power is already connected to the motor directly. On the compressor contactor, or the contactor coil, we are actually passing both legs on this particular contactor of the 240 volts. So therefore we have no hot legs waiting at the compressor or the condenser until the contactor is closed. Now, there are contactors that look pretty well identical to this, but one side of this will have a bar across here, and it will actually be connected, closed all the time. So you'd have one leg of power coming out to your compressor. The reason for that we'll go into later is for the crankcase heat that will be going through the start or the run capacitor to the start winding on the compressor in the off cycle, generates just a small amount of heat for crankcase heat. And that's something you really want to know about, and you want to, there's diagrams on that in your book, and we'll be talking about that later in the programs. So okay, on the contactor there on the end here, if I can get a picture of it, you see all the terminal connections you have. You don't have to use them all, but they're there for this leg of power here coming in. You might want to use this side here for your load, other side for your line, or you could use this side for your line power coming in and this for the load. It doesn't matter. It's an open switch. They're normally 2 normally open switches there, and you have the option of using the terminals on the load side or the line side to take power where you need to take it. And I guess that's all we're going to cover here on the compressor contactor today, and we'll go to another component on the next video.